Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
Stephanie. How are you
Hello.
doing?
I'm great. So what are you up to today?
Can you see me
I,
clearly?
yes, I can. It
Because
must
the
be very
sunlight.
sunny.
Did yes, it is. It is. It's just 9 a.m. at this time. And what's your time now?
9:30 p.m.
Oh, okay. So I was just waiting for you. I thought you are gonna join the lesson or not, cause just an hour ago I wrote you as well. Maybe
Mhm.
you saw my message or not.
I did. I was eating some food.
Okay, well, tell me that did you recognize me or not?
Yes,
When did we had our last lesson? Do you remember?
a few days ago, maybe. I don't remember how many days ago, but I know I talked to you and you were sitting down the last time.
Yes,
Okay, so it was
just
just
five
a few.
days ago.
Mm.
Yep. And how are you?
Today is lazy. I did
Why?
nothing. I did nothing today.
Okay, so you mean you?
I had a couple of lessons this morning. Can you hear me
Mm-hmm.
clearly? Yeah, I had a couple of lessons this morning, but then I went to sleep and slept all day. And then I went to the store and bought some food. And I went to my favorite restaurant. It's a chicken restaurant. So I went there and got some delicious food. Very healthy as well.
That's that's cool. I don't know what's the problem. Sometimes your voice disappears suddenly.
Yeah,
You're
your
speaking
camera
and
was frozen for a moment. I don't know why.
I think there's a big almost
Yeah.
in every conversation.
Mhm.
I just heard the last word chicken.
Oh yeah. I went to my favorite restaurant and got some chicken today. And it was really good and very healthy. Is is
Is
this
it your
better?
favorite food?
It's my favorite restaurant. It's a local
But
family
not
restaurant and it's mm,
okay. But it's not your favorite food.
it's in the top 10 for sure. It's my favorite restaurant. My favorite
Oh,
local
okay.
restaurant.
All right, but the food that you consumed.
My favorite is hot dogs.
Mm-hmm.
I'm very
Cool.
American.
Yes, because mostly Americans like hot dogs.
And they like hot dogs, hamburgers, pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you upload to YouTube already?
Okay.
Your other video?
Our last conversation.
Mm.
Unfortunately, people are watching that enough. So it's
Oh.
like coming up and up.
I wonder if you could
Views are
add some sound
yes.
very quietly. I wonder if you could add some famous song to the video but have it playing very quietly. Maybe it would
I
improve views.
listen, Stephanie. The problem is that I but copyright
Okay, I can now. What did you say?
said I can upload the video with the music that
Mhm.
you want, but the problem is that with copyright. Okay,
Oh yeah.
so yes, use any song with my video. So
Well,
I just
usually,
try
so
not to put any song with my conversation.
I put some videos on YouTube, but I'm not a creator. But so maybe you could just do one with music, and then the others would have no music, just to attract new viewers.
I can do it, but I told you that the rule works with every single video. They are not gonna tell that okay, I give you an opportunity to put a song in a particular video and then in the next you can't. Okay, the rule
I
works for
understand.
every single video. I'm so
I'm not
sorry.
a paid
I
creator,
want to
but
do it, but I'm so sorry I can't.
okay.
Okay?
I'm not
Because
a paid creator, but I
I have
notice if
read
I
new.
upload a video
Mhm.
with music, I'll have more views, but I'm not paid for anything. So any copyright
Yep.
strikes are meaningless to me
The problem.
because I don't have.
Yeah, got it.
Mhm.
Yes. So the problem, I recently read the terms and conditions of YouTube, and they said that
Mhm.
if you use any external music, then it's gonna they're gonna claim you. Okay, it's like
Huh.
copyright issue may occur.
The whole channel
But
or
if
or just the video?
okay, but if you recommend me any music which is available on YouTube app, okay,
Mhm.
so then
You
I can
could
use it.
you could use YouTube Shorts. Do you ever use YouTube Shorts?
Yes, but in the last few days, I've just
Mhm.
I just only try to upload these conversations, but I'm thinking to upload
Mhm.
shorts as well.
Yeah, it might be maybe just something to help you attract new viewers. Just anything works.
Yeah.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I
Shorts,
posted a
actually,
video of
shorts.
me reading a scripture,
Yep.
and I was just reading a Bible verse, and I got 600 views on that. It was very surprising to me. The
That's
title,
happening.
or you could have a shocking title to grab attention.
Okay. Okay. You should write your channel name here on chat. So write it, please.
No,
I'm gonna check it.
no,
Why?
and I would get in trouble with cambly, and also it's kind of a secret. It's not a secret, but it's a secret. If that makes sense.
Okay, so you cannot write it here. Okay, because of the
I
privacy.
can. Yeah.
But you can. All right. Okay, I got it. Okay, so
Mhm.
the name of my channel, if you know. If you don't know, this is the name
Okay.
of my channel. Okay, and I use Insta with the same user ID. So I
I'm
I
looking.
think that there may be no issue if you write me on my Insta. There you can write the channel name.
Okay.
Okay,
Maybe so.
cool. You have time to think of it. No problem.
Yeah,
All
I
right,
have time
all
to
right.
do it.
Yes, and I just wanted to say that short video
Mhm.
up.